Hey guys, I am back. In the previous video, I showed you how to make a text effect, and today I am going over these text animations. The first thing you want to do is add your text layer. And then you want to go into your text. Then you are going to press animate, and then you are going to add position, scale, and rotation. Now go to position and change this one to -28, and this one to 173. Now in scale, change this to 0, and in rotation, change it to 70. Now we are not going to animate this on range selector, so remove range selector, then go to add, then selector, and select expression. Now click on this, then paste the expression in the amount. Here are 4 different expressions that you can use to make your edits more engaging. You will find all the expressions in this PDF, and this PDF link is in the description. This is the PDF. You can copy any of these expressions, so I am selecting the first one here. Then press Alt and click on this amount stopwatch icon, paste the expression here. And that's it, your animation is done. And don't forget to turn on motion blur. If it looks too fast to you, click here and change the value of the expression to something like this. It will look like this. You can experiment with it and see how it fits best with your edits. Now I am going to use another expression. So now I am going to choose this third expression, copy it, and paste it here. It looks like this. Now you can adjust position, rotation, and scale as you want. You can use these expressions and change these settings to achieve different types of style. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.